Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting Opera GX Mobile installed. That's essential. Once done, open the app and grant the requested permissions so the browser can manage connections and downloads. You need a working Wi-Fi or mobile data link. No VPN will connect without internet. Make sure you're on the latest app version. Updates often include the built-in VPN or fixes. Next, tap the browser menu to begin configuring the VPN feature and preparing preferences before activation. Once in settings, go to Privacy and Security to find the built-in VPN switch. Turn it on. You do this so your traffic routes through Opera's servers, hiding your IP and encrypting requests. If the app offers location options, pick a region that suits content access or speed. Closer servers usually mean lower latency. Make sure the VPN icon displays in the address bar. That confirms browser traffic is tunneled. If you need app-wide protection, note Opera's VPN may only secure browser traffic. To finish, verify success by visiting an IP check page. Your IP and location should reflect the VPN server. If pages still block or you see your original IP, restart the app and toggle the VPN off and on. That often resets the tunnel. If you experience slow speeds or blocked services, change the virtual region or switch networks. Some carriers interfere. One key troubleshooting tip: clear Opera's cache and update the app before reinstalling, as corrupted data can break the VPN connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.